Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn animal powered vehicles. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let's go. This is a horse cart.
This is a horse cart.
This is a dog sled.
This is a dog sled.
This is a camel ride.
This is camel ride.
This is donkey cart.
This is donkey cart.
This is bullock cart.
This is bullock cart.
This is elephant cart.
This is elephant cart.
This is mule cart.
This is mule cart.
This is ox cart.
This is ox cart.
This is reindeer sled.
This is reindeer sled.
This is pony cart.
This is pony cart.
Very good. We have learned today how animals help people travel and carry loads in many parts of the world. Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.